Today we're drinking a Cosmopolitan from a can. Welcome to the tasting room, where we drink adult beverages
and judge them.
I'm Brian.
I'm Derica.
And this is a Cosmo in a can. It says shake it up and pour over ice. Now, last time we had one of these, this is from the Meridiem company. A lot of people commented that they've never had a bad one from that company. So
yeah,
the stakes are high already, you know?
When I went onto their website, I saw how they craft these things. Don't let the can fool you, ladies and gentlemen. They put some serious thought into their ingredients list, and they just packaged it in a can.
Which, you know, is actually really convenient. It makes it shelf stable, easy to transport.
Yeah.
Somebody was saying that they take these on fishing trips. They're great for camping. Even like somebody said that they get them on airplanes and stuff like that. I didn't realize that they served this on an airplane, but
You're gonna
it's
do
pink.
Half.
It's pink?
Yeah, it's a Cosmo.
Okay, I've never had a Cosmo. I don't know what a Cosmo is.
Okay. Brian is having a temporarily memory lapse because we actually made a Cosmopolitan-based beverage on our City Steading Brews channel.
Oh yeah, I didn't like that either.
He didn't. But it's okay.
Okay, it's about equal in dignity. By the way, like the glasses? There's a link to those in the description below. Help support the channel.
These are insulated martini glasses,
can,
which is great because then you don't have to worry about
manhandle it.
About
warm it.
warming your beverage. So it stays nice, cool, crisp, and refreshing.
Plus, they're kind of cool looking. It's like it's floating.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Zero gravity glasses. It does have a
like
pinkish hue. It looks like pink lemonade. It smells.
What it is vodka, 1.75 ounces, 100% real lime juice, 3/4 of an ounce, 100% real cranberry juice, 1/2 ounce, and orange Curaçao, 1/2 ounce. So they literally give you a recipe right on the can.
Yep.
I have to give them credit for that because most companies do not like to say what they do.
They are full disclosure.
That's pretty cool.
And I don't know. I'm liking the aroma. I know Brian doesn't. This is definitely a Derica wheelhouse rather than a Brian wheelhouse.
It smells more like lemonade than anything, which I like lemonade, so
well,
that's
I
not a problem.
think the percentage of the
Lime
is what's doing that.
Yeah. I don't know what the Curaçao tastes like. I don't think I've ever had it. Orange Curaçao. Curaçao? Orange Curaçao. I don't know what the heck that is.
So I'm definitely getting some of the
Lime.
alcohol aroma.
A little bit. What's the, it's 54 proof, so 27% alcohol.
I'm getting the lime first, but then if I
cocktail.
hunt past the lime, I am getting the cranberry as well on the aroma.
I'm getting limeade, really.
Now you have to remember, Brian is not a fan of lime. He's new to the world of citrus and appreciating it.
Blocks everything else out.
But he has some past
I like cranberry.
tendencies.
I'm trying to find it.
It's in there. You just got to get past the lime.
I can't get
Just
past the lime.
sneak around the lime.
All right.
There's cranberry.
I can't.
All right.
But I'm ready to taste.
It is sweeter than I thought it was going to be. It's
slimy.
But it definitely has that tart sensation that you would anticipate should be there for a Cosmo.
Not a lime.
It is a little lime forward.
It should be green.
I think I would like it to be more cranberry forward.
Yeah, if it would, yeah. Can't say I'm loving this one.
But I am getting
If
cranberry.
you like lime and you like cranberry and you like vodka and you like orange Curaçao, you might really love this. I don't know if I like orange Curaçao. I know I don't really like lime. We had something recently that was very lime forward too, and I was like, oh no. It was our own. It was the key lime pie
Oh yeah.
wine or mead. That we
Yeah,
made.
that probably broke you from lime for a while.
Yeah, and I hate to be like that, but everybody has their personal tastes. I can drink it, but it's not. I wouldn't prefer it.
It definitely accentuates the tartness that you would want in a cranberry lime combo. So that in itself kind of slows me down. So I don't want to chug this because it's so pronounced.
I don't even taste cranberry. I literally taste lime. It's like lime and vodka. The vodka part's not so bad. The lime, though, it's too much. There's another fruitiness in there that I'm not sure what it is.
It's probably the orange.
Yeah, but but it doesn't come across as an orange. It doesn't come across as a cranberry. It's almost just like generic fruit.
So is orange curacao, is that like...
I'm going to look it up because I don't know what the hell.
Or...
I don't know. What is orange curacao? Sweet orange flavored liqueur.
So yeah, it's like a...
Made using the dried peels of the Laraja orange, a bitter orange native to Curacao. Oh, okay.
All right, so it is like Cointreau.
They dye it blue or orange for visual. Why would you dye it blue? Distinctive orange flavor with varying degrees of bitterness. So it's like it's a bitter orange liqueur.
Yeah.
And I think the bitterness of that and the tartness of the lime is just working against me in a bad way. Like I say, I can drink this, so
I like
it's
the
not...
sound of my ice against that glass.
I can drink this, so it's not a dump it down the drain kind of thing for me. But would I ever willingly open one for myself? No.
So the first one we tried from them was the
old-fashioned in a can.
Old-fashioned, and it was
That was really good.
fantastic.
We still have another one.
To link that in the description below.
Spoilers. Espresso martini coming. Do we have another one?
Spoilers. Margarita coming.
Ooh. I'm looking more forward to both of those.
But the margarita is also orange curacao.
That's fine. I don't think the orange curacao is so much the problem as the lime.
Yeah, I think they're using the orange curacao rather than, and I know we're probably pronouncing it wrong. Sorry.
Curacao is how you say the country.
Okay.
I think.
But they're probably using that because it's more generic than Cointreau.
Cointreau is a triple sec variant. Sweet.
Sure.
Curacao is meant to be bitter.
Okay.
It's more like a Campari. That's my understanding of the 4 seconds that I read about it online.
In both applications, the Cosmo and the Margarita, I think I would prefer Cointreau. But
Yeah.
those of you who are longtime viewers know that Derica loves herself some Cointreau.
Okay. Even after all the posturing that I've done, I don't actually hate this. I just don't love it. That's where I stand on it. Like it's not a Brian thing.
I know this is a weird statement, but I'm actually enjoying the fact that it's making me slow down because I have this horrible, terrible tendency of just...
If you put a fifth of whiskey in front of her, she'd drink the whole damn thing.
And it's just, it's not that I'm not enjoying it.
Drinks liquids.
I'm totally enjoying it. It's just like, oh, I'm thirsty. I'm going to drink this. It doesn't matter that it's 10 bajillion proof or water.
Yeah.
I'm just drinking it. Where this, because it's so tart, is like, slow down, Erica. Just little sips.
But you're right. There
Take your
is an unexpected sweetness there too.
There is.
I guess I'm starting to come around now that it's gone. It's it's okay. That's the best I can say. It's okay. Yeah. If someone handed me one, I would drink it. I probably wouldn't ask for another, but I wouldn't turn it away if I knew what it was. Like if somebody said, "Oh, this is the Cosmo from Post Meridiem," okay, if that's all you got, you don't have any bourbon back there. But I mean, if this was what was being served and we were at like somebody's house or something, sure. I would drink it. I would drink it. I might even have 2.
There you go. All right. So now that he's giving you that little tease, it's time to get down to the nitty gritty with numbers.
On your screen, you should be seeing our scorecard, which goes 1 through 11. 11 being reserved for those things that are just absolutely freaking amazing. But there's a secret number that's not shown on that card, and that's the 0. Held for things that just absolutely suck. Spoiler alert, this is neither, in my opinion. All right, do you have a number?
I do.
I'm debating between 2. Torn between 2 numbers.
Oh, no.
Feeling like a fool.
Are you okay?
I'll survive. I have bourbon. I'm good. All right, I have a number. I'm ready.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 5.5. Yeah.
The numbers reflect whose wheelhouse this is.
To me, this is tolerable. Wouldn't be my first choice. Wouldn't dump it out. Might go back for a second, but maybe not. If there was something else available, that's where I'm at. 8. That's not even as high as I thought you might go.
No, because I'm.
It's a little too tart.
It's a little too tart.
Our Cosmo's supposed to be tart. If anybody knows, tell us in the description below.
I'm pretty sure they're supposed to be tart.
Comments, not the description. You can't write in the description. You can write in the comments. We do the description.
They're supposed to be tart. It's okay.
Oh, they are?
It's a cranberry vodka.
Might explain why I've never had one before. Because
But yeah, switch out the orange for Cointreau to make it just a little bit sweeter. And my number would certainly go up. But I am enjoying my pause.
Once I got past a couple of sips, I actually enjoyed it a little bit. It wasn't bad. The first sip was, okay, this is this pink thing. I'm expecting, and it smelled like lemonade to me. So I'm like, oh, this is going to taste like alcoholic lemonade. Nope. Tasted like lime juice and vodka mixed together in a bad way. Once I got used to it a little bit more,
That's how he creeped up to his number.
Oh yeah, the first sip was a 3.
All right, so if you like your Cosmos on the tart side, then this little can might be a pleasant surprise for you.
And if you don't feel like mixing them yourself, honestly, this is a pretty neat way to go.
Yeah.
It costs about, what are they, like between $2 and $4 for one of these cans. So it's about half of what you'd probably pay for a Cosmo in a restaurant or in a bar. I don't know. I'm really impressed with them. Even if this isn't my favorite thing, I'm impressed with that. Like if you and I were going to go on a camping trip for several days and we wanted to bring drinks with us, we could just bring a bunch of these different things and just pour it into a glass.
It seems like when this particular company makes something that is in one of our particular wheelhouses, we really appreciate it.
Yes, that does seem to be a thing.
So that's not a negative on them. That's definitely a positive.
I'm thinking of this like coffee pods. Think about it that way.
Alcoholic coffee pods.
You have a whole bunch of these in different flavors, and whatever you're in the mood for, that's what you have, and you just pour it over ice, and you have an instant cocktail. I mean, how simple is that? That's pretty fabulous.
Post Meridiem, we just gave you a new marketing idea.
There you go.
You're welcome.
And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.
Bye-bye.